Let's start. The project name is string formatting. Let's see the project structure. At the app level build.gradle file, set up the view binding. Here we have the main activity. In the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. In the strings.xml file, we have these strings to format. In this string, this part will be replaced by a string dynamically. And this part will be replaced by a number dynamically. And this string has some HTML formatting in it. So these it.wala words will be formatted as bold, italic, and underlined. Let's see the UI. This text view has used that string from the strings.xml file, which will be formatted dynamically. This text view has used that string from the strings.xml file, which is formatted in HTML style. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. This is how we set up the view binding. To format a string dynamically, we call the getString function and call a string from the strings.xml file. And then pass a text and a number to be used dynamically. Then we set this formatted string in the text view. Let's run the app. As you can see, the first string is formatted dynamically. And the second string is formatted in HTML bold, italic, and underlined style. So that's it. That's how you can format a string in Kotlin Android. Thanks for watching.